Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Hana's English Corner. I'm Hana, and this is your little moment to relax, smile, and learn some real English you can actually use.
And I'm Ethan. Here, we don't chase perfect grammar. We focus on real life English, the kind you can use in everyday conversations.
Today, we are focusing on a crucial part of fluency actionable communication. We are exploring the essential words and phrases you need to talk about your New Year plans in English, moving beyond just wishing to actually planning for a better version of yourself.
We promise to share the precise language that allows you to express your goals, break them into small steps, and even how to handle it when life gets in the way of your plans.
And this is a big moment, so if you enjoy learning with us, please hit that like button now. It's the best way to support our corner.
This helps our friendly English learning community grow stronger and larger. Let's dive in and master the language of intentions and progress now.
Perfect. Let's get started.
Hana, a new year is like a blank notebook. Everyone is excited, but many people feel a little nervous because they have so many plans and don't know where to start.
I feel that way too, Ethan. My big plan this year isn't about my body, but my mind. I want to worry less and be more calm. I'm going to try meditating for just 5 minutes every morning. It's a small step, but it feels significant.
That is a wonderful plan. For me, it's more physical. I want to be more active. I sit at a desk all day so my body feels stiff. I plan to start running in the park twice a week. But I realized something. My first step isn't running, it's buying a good pair of running shoes to protect my feet.
I love that. You're breaking a big goal into small steps. That's the secret to not feeling overwhelmed. In English, when we talk about these intentions, we use phrases like I want to or I'm going to for strong plans and I hope to for those bigger dreams.
Exactly. And if you're not 100% sure yet, you can use I might or I'm thinking about. It makes your English sound much more natural and honest. For example, I might try learning photography because I want to capture better memories. Speaking of memories, I noticed that plans are often about habits. We want to develop good habits like reading every night and quit or stop bad habits like eating too much fast food. Using the word quit instead of just stop shows a much stronger determination.
But Ethan, life happens. What happens when your plan fails or needs to change?
That's a great question, Hannah. You need to be flexible. You can say, I might have to change my plans, or I have to adjust my plan. It's not a failure, it's just progress. In fact, progress is better than perfection. If you plan to read 12 books but only read 6, you still read 6 books.
That's such a kind way to look at it. We also use words like achievement for our wins and routine for our daily structure. Building a morning routine with meditation and exercise is a great way to focus on your priorities.
So, to our community, remember that talking about plans is about sharing your hopes. It's a way to connect and support each other. You can ask your friends, what are your plans for the new year? Or, do you want to join me?
Supporting each other is the best plan of all. So, for your homework today, go to the comments and share. What is one small, easy plan you have for January? Just one. Maybe it's drinking more water or calling a friend once a week.
We read every single comment. We want to cheer you on as you take your first small step toward your goals.
Thank you for spending this time with us. It's a joy to be part of your journey.
We're proud of you for showing up and for making English a part of your progress.
See you next time on Hana's English Corner.
Take care, stay kind, and remember, a small step is still a step forward.
And remember, keep your English alive every single day.